Good morning, everyone. I hope that you are safe, you and your family. Today we're going to start talking about the halachot of Bedikat Hametz. So the first thing we should know is that Bedikat Hametz does not start next Tuesday night. It actually starts now, if not before, because we already started to clean our homes, check the Hametz in all the rooms, in the clothes, in the pockets of the clothes, in the knapsack of the kids, in any area that the Hametz may be there. And once we have done those, we don't have to check again on the night of the Bedikat Hametz. Now, on the 14th of Nisan, which will be next Tuesday night, we have the mitzvah of the Bedikat Hametz, and this mitzvah starts 20 minutes after the Shekiah, after sunset, which is what we call Tzet HaKochavim. This year it will be at 7:47 p.m. It is better to pray Arvit before we start the Bedikat Hametz, because Tadir v'she'eno Tadir Kodem, the mitzvah of Arvit with Kriyat Shema, is more permanent than Bedikat Hametz. The Halacha asks us that half an hour before the Bedikat Hametz, before the time of Bedikat Hametz, we should not be engaged in any activity that may take a long time. We should not have a seudah, a meal, and we should not even start learning, because by doing those, we may get distracted, dragged, not realizing that it's already late, and Chas v'shalom, miss or delay the mitzvah of Bedikat Hametz. What needs to be checked? Technically speaking, any area that is yours, which means your house, balcony, yard, front yard, backyard, every room of the house should be checked, especially if you have small children, because they are definitely going to hide Hametz in any possible spot. Remember that it's a year-long project, meaning they had a whole year to hide the Hametz since last Pesach. So therefore, we have to really be careful and creative like them to think about the possible spot that the Hametz can be found. The minhag is to let the ladies hide 10 pieces of Hametz. Each one of them should be less than a kazait, which means less than 1 ounce, because in case you don't find the last piece, which happens many, many times, then you don't have an issue of having a full kazait of Hametz in your house. If you don't find that piece of Hametz, don't panic. It's okay, because after you finish the Bedikat Hametz, you are going to say a bitul. You're going to say a formula that is nullifying the Hametz that is in your possession, and that can definitely work for that last piece of Hametz that you can't find. And last but not least, the Bedikat Hametz should be performed with a ner, with a candle, and not with the avuka. Avuka is when you have multiple flames. There are several reasons for that. In our days, that if a person feels that it could be dangerous because of the fire, then it's okay to use even electric light or flashlights, since they can actually give a good visibility in all corners and all areas. At the time of the Bedikat Hametz, there is no need to turn off the light. Some people do it if you're on the vibe of the Bedikat Hametz, but halachically, it is not necessary. Have a great day and stay safe.